Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Well, today I'm taking part in the Fall DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by Christina from the DIY Mommy. I'll link her channel and the playlist in the description box. Please be sure to check it out for all the other lovely entries. Hope my dress is not the only fall thing that you find in this video. Now without further ado, let's get started. For my entry, I decided to give our display shelf a much needed makeover. The last time I did up this shelf was for spring, and I'll link that video in the cards above and in the description box. Please be sure to check it out. For my first DIY, I have taken this set of 6 plates which I got for 123 rupees. And I'm going to make a tiered tray. I'm using this kitchen towel roll which I've cut into half as the center. And I'm wrapping it up with this wood contact paper. It was a set of 6 plates and in 3 different sizes, and then I cut out 4 circles for the top and the bottom to make it more sturdy. Next I hot glued the top and bottom to the tubes. Sorry for the bad camera angle. This is the quickest DIY. And then I cut out a piece of the contact paper and wrapped it up. You can make the wood grain go lengthwise or breadthwise. I chose to do it the lengthwise. Folded over the top and the bottom and cut off the excess. Hot glued it to the base plate and put the medium size plate on top of it and repeated the process. Let me know how the fall season is in your country. Here we don't have autumn or fall, it's more of monsoon weather, rainy season, and it's quite cool. Next, for the shelves, I started by clearing out each shelf. Starting with a clean slate is always recommended, but one thing that I don't usually follow. So after emptying it, I gave it a good wipe and then I started my decorating process. I got this maple leaf placemat for 93 rupees. Jumping in here to thank all my returning subscribers, and if you're new here, I hope you'd click the subscribe button and join our blessed family. Moving on to the next DIY, I've taken this piece of wood that I had lying around and I wrapped it up with wrapping paper. I like this grey with the gold polka dots. And then I had this saying from another sticker: love is what makes the ride worthwhile. It actually came along with these flowers, and I stuck the flowers here. And as you can see, it doesn't show very clearly through the dark background. So I changed the background into this, and now it looks much better. And now for the reveal. I actually like this cube. It really looks very good. The others are okay. Let me know what you think about this, and if you have any ideas for improvement, please do let me know in the comments down below. I did keep a few of the decor pieces as is. Here is a close-up of the shelves. This ladder was another DIY. And this is the second setting. Let me know which one you like better, and please do suggest your valuable advice for me. Well, that's it. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Please be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also click the bell icon. And please check Christina's channel and the playlist. Bye-bye.